Introduction to mortgages. If you don't have the cash available to buy real estate outright, or if you choose not to pay the full purchase price in cash, you will need a loan. The loan is called a mortgage. A mortgage may be issued by a bank, a mortgage company, or even by the seller of the property. As the borrower, you are referred to as the mortgagor. The lender is referred to as the mortgagee. The mortgage is a secured loan for which the security is the real estate that you have purchased. If you do not pay your mortgage as promised, the lender can foreclose on the loan and sell the property to recover the amount owed, plus interest, fees, and cost. In the case of a co-op, the loan is simply called a co-op loan. If you purchase a co-op, the co-op loan is secured by the stock certificate and the proprietary lease. Notice is given to the public of the lender's security interest in the co-op with a Uniform Commercial Code, or commonly known as a UCC, filing with both the state and the county in which the co-op is located. There are different types of mortgages, including conventional, FHA, VA, and Fannie Mae. Mortgages can have a fixed rate of interest or variable rate. There are balloon mortgages, interest-only mortgages, and negative amortization mortgages. Mortgages come in varying lengths, usually for 15 or 30 years. Some mortgages require a down payment of 3% of the sales price, others as much as 20%. It's best to check with different lenders to find the best loan for you at the best rate. If you have good credit, it would be best to start by checking with a bank, preferably the bank in which you already have an account. If your credit is not perfect, you may want to check with a mortgage company. The important thing is to contact several different lenders. Be aware that the real estate agent may want you to use a particular lender, which may not be in your best interest. Try to stay with a known bank. Be especially aware of lenders that promise unrealistically low rates. Some lenders will pre-qualify you for a loan, which may or may not be meaningful. Many times a person who has been pre-qualified finds that he or she is denied a mortgage approval once a loan application is processed. Also be aware that some lenders will promise to lock in a low rate for 30 or 45 days. Since it usually takes 90 or more days from the mortgage application to closing, the 30 or 45 day lock-in will do nothing more than lock you into a lender that will most likely raise its rates at or before the closing. Ask what happens if you cannot close within the lock-in period. Be sure to get all promises in writing. You should also ask whether the loan has a fixed or variable rate. If it's a variable rate loan, how often will the rate change? Also ask how the new rate is established and the maximum amount that the rate can be changed. When shopping for a mortgage, ask the lenders for a complete list of all fees and expenses associated with the mortgage. After you apply for a loan, the lender will check your credit history and verify your employment and other information that you have provided on your application. Usually about 4 to 8 weeks after your application, you'll receive the decision on your mortgage applications. For more information, call us at 718-625-0800 to schedule a free consultation.